Hello everyone, I'm Ejan Similier, Aruban singer, TV host, and creative entrepreneur, and I'm beyond excited to extend a warm invitation to you for this groundbreaking event in Aruba. It's the CreActivo Conference happening for the first time ever at the Renaissance Convention Center on October 8th and 9th, organized by the Go Cultura Foundation and its partners. This is your opportunity to connect with artists, creatives, visionaries, and leaders from across the region and learn why we're revolutionizing the cultural and creative industries. We'll discuss powerful topics such as the value of the arts, the importance of creativity in education, and the incredible potential of these industries for social transformation and economic diversification, plus so much more. Don't miss out on this extraordinary experience. Reserve your spot, register, and get your tickets now on gocultura.org. See you in Aruba, and let's make history together.